Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Pinterest password easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your Pinterest password, start by opening the Pinterest app or website. If you're using the app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. On the website, click on the login button at the top right corner. Next, look for the Forgot Your Password link and click on it. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Pinterest account. Make sure you enter the correct email address and then click on the Send Reset Email button. Check your email inbox for the password reset email from Pinterest. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you locate the email, open it and click on the password reset link provided. You will be redirected to a page where you can enter a new password. Create a strong password that is easy for you to remember, and enter it in the specified field. Confirm your new password by typing it again in the provided box. After entering your new password, click on the Change Password button. You should receive a notification confirming that your password has been successfully changed. Now, return to the Pinterest login page. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. Click the Login button to access your Pinterest account. Congratulations, you have successfully reset your Pinterest password. Now you can enjoy exploring all your favorite pins once again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.